So guys, senginama receipts ngendaba yami Bongs cheating on DJ Zinhle. I'm still gonna say alleged. So guys, what happened was someone inboxed amaphephandaba. Shout out to amaphephandaba. So this person was like, I have information about DJ Zinhle's husband cheating on her with multiple girls. Screenshots, call logs, messages, pictures. Let me know if you are interested and I will send you everything. But this person would like to be anonymous. Very discreet, please. Hayi, salinda sithi hayi phela uzosend. Kwathi nje. Boom, abe sebepostile futhi. Wayibandaba nangu umeda. Kuthiwa Meda Bongs wabantwana exposed. Now I'm a message. Nyabona guys. Damn, wanna kiss you right now. Hi bo. Lapha phezulu uthi busy stalking you. Agcinanga lapho. Another screenshot. Should see umeda wayesend Uber. Hayi bandla. Agcine lapho ugeli watha screenshots bekwe video call. Hi guys, let's go through the comment because wow. Uthi lo yabona nje. Uthi lona and ngeke umenze lutho umfana onamazinyo amasha uluma kwasani. Yo. Ukushada kuyefana nokuzigakela. Uthi lona umuntu ozaziyo ukuthi uyikhwapha uzivezelani. Just stay hidden like you had agreed nomfana. Hey, sometimes guys umfana masekudinile. Sima was right. Musakhawula can be a lot of things but he never lies. Musakhawula uyafana nomkhanazi. Uyazi usho into once kuqhume yonke into. And wema. Lapho DJ Zinhle was saying, the minute you call my husband inja is where I draw the line. Yo man will humiliate you, shame. And ibandla. Hi amadoda nawo hayi alikhali icilongo on the 21st of November. Hi. Men cheat, marriage gets boring, it becomes a routine. Hi bo. This is what we call receipts. Exactly. Lapho the wife is busy defending him. Yazi sono nkosi yami. Umusa might tell a joke, but definitely not a lie. Comments amaningi ebesho kanje. She should have never fixed his teeth. Yo, nkosi yami. Indoda will leave you in the desert with no water. Also, girl knows that this guy is married. Kanti what's wrong with her? Hey, bafethu asaz. Man bomi. Uyizame into ngamazinyo ama-capital letters. Iphinde ikubikise ngabantu. He fumbled a good woman. Kodwa ngihlikiselani lona. Hey, cha shame to us who believed Musa in the first place. Yo. Madoda. Hi, this story doesn't want to end. Instead, siyakhula and shame bandla. Kodwa phela umfana omncane wenza zonke izinto ezenziwa abafana abancane. Hayibo, wayeshadelani pho? Wayeshadelani ngokuthi yena uyayibona ukuthi samncane. Hayibo, that's not an excuse. How men, they always mess up, men. True, hey? Kodwa uZinhle bekumele angasho lutho. Amadoda nje izinja. And ihlezi sisho ukuthi hayi amadoda bandla. Typical Pretoria guy with oversized teeth and earrings. Your sis, that time he's not even good looking. You, I guess, son. This is what happens when a woman loves you more than you love her. Read that again. Shame. Ayadika amadoda. Uzimisele ngawo xa uzimisele ngawo. Nina kodwa besikuphi isidingo sokufuna uxabanisa le couple. Cha abantu besifazane, we can do better. I'm not saying ubongani right, but what are these girls going to gain? Yeah, ne? Abantu abaningi bebethi nje justice for Usima. Justice for Isima. Hayibo. saze saphoxeka siyi-country waze wasiphoxa umolder or umeda. Guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye.